Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now for this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove parental controls on your iPhone. Now this is really good. For example, you don't want your parents or your guardians to really look into your iPhone. So the thing you want to do right now is make sure you go to your settings. Let me just go back on the landing page of settings. Perfect. So once you're going to be right here, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection. Do not have your data for this one because it's really sensitive on controlling your parental controls. Next up, while you're good with that one, clicking on screen time. So supposedly it should be right here. However, for the recent update, it has changed its location. So rather than looking for it, go to the search bar like I did earlier, type in screen time. So make sure there is a space in between the two words because if I type in screen time right there, it will not really show up. So it's really important on the spelling and the spaces. So click on screen time right there. Make sure you click on change and privacy restrictions or content and privacy. With a simple click of a button right there, type in your passcode. Basically, your parental control right now has been turned off. It's going to be easy as that. Basically, that's it. And by the way, guys, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.